Architecture is the learned game, correct and magnificent, of forms assembled in the light. Le Corbusier.
The mother art is architecture. Without an architecture of our own, we have no soul of our own civilization. Frank Lloyd Wright.
Architecture starts when you carefully put two bricks together. There it begins. Ludwig Mies van der Rohe.
A room is not a room without natural light. Louis Kahn.
I believe that architecture is a pragmatic art. To become art, it must be built on a foundation of necessity. Tadao Ando.
Architecture should make people feel good. It should evoke emotions, memories, and associations. Zaha Hadid.
One of the great beauties of architecture is that each time, it is like life starting all over again. Renzo Piano.
All architecture is shelter. All great architecture is the design of space that contains, cuddles, exalts, or stimulates the persons in that space. Philip Johnson.
Architecture belongs to culture, not to civilization. Alvar Aalto.
As an architect, you design for the present, with an awareness of the past, for a future which is essentially unknown. Norman Foster.